Hi, this is Devashish Das from Circuit Digest. Once again, back with another video. In front of me is the circuit for the precision rectifier, and in the left side of the breadboard, a half-wave rectifier circuit is made, and in the right side, a full-wave rectifier circuit is made. I made two separate circuit because of you can compare the output which I'm going to show currently in this oscilloscope. It's just for ease for comparison. If you want to know more about the circuit, the constructions, the pro and cons, the construction and all, a link for the blog is down below in the descriptions. You can go and check it out. The full blog is there. Now I am probing this circuit with my oscilloscope, and you can see this is the output. This is the output. In the blue waveform is the input, the yellow waveform is the output of the half-wave rectifier circuit, and the green waveform is the output of the full-wave rectifier circuit. As you can see, this is almost it's almost there. All the details about the circuit and the working principle is on the blog. You can go and check it out. You will understand what's happening. Thank you for watching.